All right, here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson EcoTank 5800. This is going to be some of the same instructions if you have really any maintenance box that's on the front of the printer, front end of it. You're going to see what I'm talking about in just a minute. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for a brand new maintenance box. If that's what you're needing for your printer, click the link, get one for yourself, and come back and watch the rest of this video. All right, so you most likely have a message that's popping up telling you that you need to change out your maintenance box. It needs to be serviced. It needs to be changed out. Once you see that message, you're simply going to lift the top of the printer and you have access to the maintenance box right here. It couldn't be any easier. It's in a perfect spot. You just have to unlatch this piece that's holding it in, and you're going to slide it to the left. If you're standing in front of it, to the left, you're going to pop it out and you can simply remove it from there. Just do it slowly and it should be just fine. So here you have your used maintenance box, and this one is in good shape because this is an unboxing. I'm just showing you how to remove the maintenance box. And as you can see, there is a position and a way that you need to put it back in. So just pay attention to that when we're putting it back in. Again, link in the description below for this maintenance box. So here we have the empty compartment where the maintenance box goes. So you can just have an idea of what it looks like. It gives you a better idea of, the setup and what this maintenance box actually does. It collects, old ink, discarded ink that's not being used, gets pushed into here. So it's very important to have a new one in here when your old one is out of service. And that's how you pop in the new one. It's simply just laying it down in there and sliding it to the right. So I really hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. And of course, you want to go through the prompts so that you can go into recovery mode. And that is where the printer will be able to receive the new maintenance box and it can begin its use from that day going forward. So I hope this video was helpful. Again, that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.